You searched how to buy shares of Community West Bank shares. Community West Bank shares is a regional banking company operating community banks in California, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CWBC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CWBC. Then select the listing that matches Community West Bank shares to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the CWBC ticker to make sure it is the correct share. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio when the trade executes. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.